What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2021 Acura RDX. Like I said, it's a 21 RDX in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So taking a look at our key fob, if your RDX has the remote start feature, you'll have this engine hold button on your key fob. That's the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, we're going to press the lock button and then hold down the remote start button for about 3 or 4 seconds. And this light will be blinking. And then once the vehicle starts, you'll see this green light illuminate. That green light's going to confirm that the vehicle did start. That's helpful if you're somewhere where you can't see the vehicle, just so you know that it did start for sure. The RDX will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off. If you want to extend that runtime another 10 minutes, you'll press the lock button and then hold down the remote start button again for a few seconds. That's going to extend the runtime for 10 minutes, and that green light is going to indicate that it did accept that. In order to start the vehicle, we need to unlock it. We'll get in. And just as we normally would to start it, we'll press the brake, hit the stop start button, and now we're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.